90% of online fitness coaches will never break past 5K a month, and it's not because they aren't good trainers. It's because they're following the wrong strategy. If you are stuck posting content that doesn't bring in leads, chasing cold DMs, and wondering why you can't scale past a few clients, this video is for you, my friend, because today I'm gonna show you exactly why most fitness coaches stay broke and how you can fix it in the next 90 days. This is the exact framework my clients use to go from 2K a month to 30K plus per month. And if you are willing to follow these steps, you're about to change your entire coaching business. Most fitness coaches think success comes from posting good content and waiting for clients to kind of find them. That's a lie. If you're just throwing up workout videos and hoping someone will, run to you and DM you, you're playing the lottery. But the truth of the matter is, successful fitness coaches don't chase leads. Leads chase them. And the difference comes down to one thing: client flow. Right now, most of you are running what I call the hope and pray business model. You hope people will find you. You pray they'll DM you. And when that doesn't happen, you start sending awkward, cold messages, hoping someone will bite. That's not a business, my friend. That's a guessing game. So let's break down how to fix it. There are 3 steps to fixing this and building a 20 to 30K per month online fitness coaching business. If you implement these in the next 90 days, you'll never have to chase clients again. Step 1 is position yourself as the go-to authority. Most coaches, what they do is they blend in. They post workouts, macros, and DM me for coaching in their captions. That's a recipe for getting ignored. You instead need to position yourself as the only solution to your ideal client's problems. Here's how you're gonna do it. Create a signature offer, something that solves one big problem for a specific type of client. For example, instead of saying, I help people lose weight, say, I help busy dads lose 20 pounds without giving up their favorite foods. This makes your content magnetic. People see you as the expert, not just another trainer. Step 2 is stop posting random content and start posting cash flow content. Most fitness coaches post for likes. You need to post for sales. See, every piece of content should do one of 3 things. A, call out a problem. For example, struggling to lose weight even though you train hard. B, showcase social proof. This is client success stories, transformations, testimonials, people saying that you are the man or woman. Or C, make an offer, a direct call to action such as DM me results and I'll show you how to fix this. No more generic workout clips, man. No more aimless posts. Every piece of content should pull leads towards you. Step 3, the DM closing system that brings in clients on autopilot. Stop chasing, start attracting. Here's a simple strategy that works. Step 1, post a high value piece of content. Step 2, end with a call to action like comment, coach, if you want my free fitness plan. Step 3, when someone comments, DM them a simple question. What's your number 1 struggle right now? Step 4, once they respond, guide them into a call, not a pitch. This turns strangers into actual customers. This has customers running to you instead of you chasing them. Now, you have 2 choices. You can keep hoping for clients to magically find you, or you can take control of your business today. If you're serious about hitting 20K plus per month as an online fitness coach, I want to help you, man. Comment clients below or send me a message on Instagram saying clients, and I'll personally send you a free guide on how to set up your client flow system, from the boosted posts to the organic and what to say in the DMs. And if this video gave you value, just make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because I drop new strategies like this every single week. Matter of fact, next week I'm dropping an in-depth blueprint on how to execute this and make 30K a month. Yep, you heard that right, 30K a month as an online fitness coach. So if you want to see that, don't miss out on it. You got to make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. I'm Eric Anthony Klima, and I'll see you on the next one.